How to delete Shopee account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can delete your Shopee account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have installed Shopee application in your device. Once you have done that, open your app. Make sure that you are logged into your specific Shopee account, then tap onto Me section at the bottom of your right corner. Then tap on Settings icon on your top right. Here scroll all the way below and tap on the option that says Request Account Deletion. Here tap on OK. Before you delete your account, you should read this. If you have any remaining coins in your account, it will be deleted as well. Once you read all that, tap on to Proceed at the bottom of your page. Here enter your phone number that is related with your account. Then you will get a verification code via voice call. Simply type in the code at this box below and tap on to Next. And just like so, this is how you will be able to delete your Shopee account. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.